Well, damn, I missed a big chicken harvest here. Oh, man. Oh, man, I missed a big chicken harvest here. And I was coming down here quite often. Oh, man, look at this. It is October 18th or 19th. 18th. Look at this. This was probably, did anybody cut it? Jeez. I stopped going here for about, 2 or 3 weeks. It probably can't, oh, look at it all. I missed this here. None of it was cut. If someone got it, they just broke it off, as far as I can tell. Jeez, this was a load. Oh, I missed out on that. It probably was shortly after I got a harvest, about 5 minutes from here. It was probably then. Man. I'll see. Well, I got a lot of places. I got to write down in a book all the places that I found chicken in the woods for next year. Because it usually comes back on the same logs. Each one different. Alright. I'm going to go back and explore where I got 2 harvests up here this year. See if they rebounded or got leftover stock showing. Go up top way. I'll come up from down there. There's a creek. Holes. I am so paranoid about yellow jackets now. There's one there, but I'm paranoid about the hives. Since I ran into 2 at 2 different places in a row in September, I'm like walking half speed through the woods anymore. All right, up here. Up in here. Drying up creek bed. Go up here and check the old stocks of the chickens right up in here. Lots of deer poo. Come on, focus. Focus on the poo. You know, lots of deer poo around here. I'll check this old stock here. So I got my 3rd harvest here. Oh, it's not even showing hardly. Anyway, that's where it was. Even though it's just showing that little bit, we got about 5 pounds off of this log this year. Not a huge amount, but a good amount. All right, so that's the 2nd one we marked in this area. Oh, dang, that's a big hornet over there. See it? They look like giant yellow jackets. Oh, it just landed on the ground over there. See his butt sticking up there. That is a huge. I'm glad oh man, I had it too far up. I'm glad yellow jackets. That thing's half the size of that walnut. See it? It's getting a drink or something. That's his butt sticking out. That's a giant cicada killer hornet. Hopefully it doesn't mess with me. I saw like 50 to 100 of them on the last warm day I was out here a week ago. So where the heck did it go? Oh yeah, there it is. See it? See it moving? That yellow behind that. well, I guess I'll leave it alone. Get that stinger going in and out. What is, there it is. They look like giant yellow jackets. Yeah, I saw like all over the woods they were flying around me. And if I start seeing a lot more, I'm going to get out of here because I don't like them anyway. But a yellow jacket hive to me is, whoop, what the heck is that? Oh, that's a crane fly. Jeez. But these warm fall days, they come out and they suck on nectar from dying fruits and leaves and things. That's what I find they do. That's what I've seen. This camera right up in here. I hate going by there. We're going to go up the stream here. And there's an old chicken log I want to check. That's that hawk. Well, here. See these giant. I don't want to touch them. A bee might fly out or something. They're giant shelf mushrooms there. And here's our marked tree for next year if we're still here. So we got it off of here last year. Okay. This is what we picked. We didn't use a knife. We got about, I forget, we got at least 5 pounds off of this tree. Wasn't a huge amount, but it was nice to see. I would have liked to get it 2 days earlier, I remember. So we got a good marker there. We came from down there. We were walking up creek. Beautiful little stream, really. And we're going to cross a trail that we got to, but it was getting dark. Now we're going to cross that trail and make a left at the top of the stream here. Very nice, very nice. And I can see to my right there were some oyster mushrooms growing up here. Not too many. There might have been more, but that's what's left of the remnants. Sometimes they grow all the way up the tree, I've been noticing, like 60 feet up. Pretty neat. Hope to find some hen of the woods, not chicken of the chicken of the woods is good, the orange ones, but hen of the woods is hard to find when the leaves come out, but that's when they come out when the night lows start getting lower. October into November. We got our first ones last year in November, first week in November. Wow, they're all hickory nuts with the shells off. You can see the shells in the water next to them. And then there's the hickory nuts with no shells. And they're growing fuzz on them. Kind of slimy fuzz. Look at this. Oh man, I didn't have it backed up enough, sorry. I don't know if I'm putting this up anyway, but I got the 3 places marked for next year. Hold on. This is just too beautiful. Oh, and these are what's falling on me right now. or beech nuts. There's the shells. Beech nuts all in the water there. Oh, neat rock. There's a mushroom up there. This beautiful little creek. It's a huge uprooted tree. Make sure there ain't no bees here. Oh yeah, there's a big one. There's 8 inches. Look at that. That's one's the size of a trap. Whoa. They are big. All right. Shine a light on just because it'll give me some better bug shots. Any bugs flying in front. A lot of big minnows. Whoa, they're the size of small trout. All right, let's get under here. This sticker right in front of me. Backpack snake. Wow. Oh, the sun trying to come out. All right, once we get up here, there's a crossing. I'll get back to you. Got to get through these logs. Well, you can get through the logs with me. Let's go. Looks like we go under here. My backpack keeps grabbing and I can go to get up. There we go. So we got to get up to here. And there's a path I never went on that crosses. And we'll go left, I think. And then we'll go right on the way back. There we are. We came up from down here. And we're up here so far. There's another pool. And then there's a bigger one up where we cross, which isn't far from here. So as you can see, the flow goes under, it stops up here, goes into this pool, goes under the gravel here, and this is where the water restarts again. Wow. Let me see we go up here. Yes, there are fishies in here too. Leftover fishies. See them darting around. We gotta get past these thorns here. I get stuck a lot. You know, kind of like roll and twist away from them. Alright, we get at the top and we'll start to get to that path. Here it is. So we just came from down there. Across those stickers. Here's where I went up and went home last time. I've never gone up further than this. I looked at this big pool, which is a pretty big pool. I walk back down that way. There's another path going out there. I think I'm going to try that this time. But we're going to go up here. I've seen that pool. It's a sizable pool. It's probably the biggest in the creek. I'll see if this goes. The heck's sticking me in my butt here. I got some burdocks in the back of the backpack the other day. All right, let's get going. Oh, but before I say that, let's get going. Look at this giant tree root. There's a tree root where I go. There's double roots, and there's a huge yellow jacket nest about 4 feet up from the ground, and they go in like right about that high, and it is huge. I stay away from that. That doesn't seem to have any, except for that fly that buzzed by me. And I'm watching all the time now. Wow, this is quite a hill here. So I was never up here. Let's see what's around the corner. I'll get back. Well, that's a big standing oak there. So is that. A lot of oaks up in here, which is oaks, hickory, and a few sycamores. I'm going to go through here and see if this oak has anything around the bottom of it. Hopefully there are no bees. This is what it looks like when I'm doing them. So, yeah, I'm like literally turn it around now. So there's that oak. This is a deer path or a hunter path. It kind of flattens out over there. So I want to look and see if there's any. These are big oaks. These are the kind that we can find the hen of the woods around. Hold on. This is what you do. Look around the bottom. And the first ones I found, they look like a condensed cluster of cauliflower with leaf camouflage. Anyway, I've never been back here. Go back out that way. Just go back here a little more. A little more since it's a clearing. Wow. Not dead trees. A lot of them are dead walnuts from the lanternflies, what they did in the last 3 years. But the lanternflies are getting eaten by the crows. I saw them finishing up this year, and I hardly saw any lanternflies because the crows are eating them as they're coming out. From nymph stage to adult, they're eating them all. Very good. It worked out. The crows are doing a good job. All right, let's get back out here. Let's see anything. You go first. All right. Alright, let me go up here. I'll let you know if that's a woodpecker. That was loud. I'll wait till we get up here. Found some more mushrooms. But listen to this woodpecker drilling. It sounds like it's drilling. Oh, is that leftover chicken again? I got 4 spots in this area. I thought this was leftover oyster. It's looking like chicken right over here. That's chicken again. Ow. Ow. This. Jeez. Oh man, I got 4 marked spots in this area that come back. Oh man. This is stuff that nobody looks at. See, it grew right through the log. Hopefully we're here to make these harvests next year. Check it out. It was growing. There was 1 stalk here that produced about 5 leaflets by the looks of it. There's here, there, over there. Wow, we got 4 spots in this area that we've marked. I'm going to write it down too. All right, let's head back out. I like it. It's got a nice fence protection. All these stickers here. See them all. And in the summer, there's more leaves to even disguise it more. Yeah. Right off the path. I'll remember that. Birds are getting loud. I just mapped it out. I looked at the map here. I brought a map with me this time. And basic good instruction where I can see and I know where this leads to if I wanted to continue. And it borderlines private property at a certain point, but it's all in legal. Whoa, look at this big old dead tree. It's all legal. So either I'll continue or I'll turn around and go back because I'm going out of my way now. So if it's not interesting enough. So, I'm eating these rose hips here. Nice and ripe. Check it out. They remind me of Luden's cough drops when I was a kid, those soft cough drops. They have a lot of seeds. Check it out. A lot of seeds in them. You just spit the seeds. You see the seeds? And you spit the seeds out. Just because they're hard to chew, they're not poisonous. Not that I know of. Shoot them out like that. That's about it. Grow new plants again. There you go. They're very tasty though. I'm going to fill you up though. Alright, we're heading back. We're going to take the other route back, so maybe we'll find something else. We're going to go to the other side. What is that? Is that some, might be something on there. Here we go, back downhill. Cross over the creek again. Check out this. Just check out this big pool up here. This is probably a long video. Let me wait till I get up here. I gotta turn this off. Nature boy on it. if he's got a working camera. Tell you, you don't know who's going to come through the woods. You ain't supposed to be riding those through the woods. That's why I carry a nice sized canister. Alright, we're going to meet this top trail here. Who would expect that? A motorcycle come flying through here. Dirt bike or whatever. Probably run into him again. I don't know which way it took. You go this way or this way. Yeah, he's coming back. I hear him turning around. I think. See if I can get a shot of him without him seeing me. I don't know. I don't know which way it went. I hate that. That's how you hit a deer. If there were bear around here, that's how you scared a bear too. Yes, I don't know. He might have went down here too. I'm going back this way. This is my shortcut. Well, what am I talking about? This is a horse trail. A horse trail is not meant for motorcycles. Yeah, it has horse trail signs on it. It's got horse prints in the road. And he's riding a dirt bike. Oh, here he comes. He's down on this other side. Hold up. Here he comes. Back on the straight and narrow again. I knew that guy was going to come back the other way. He went around the whole path. This is a horse path. So is that big path. It's marked as a horse path. There ain't nothing about motorcycles. But mostly what bothers me is I was near a camera. I mentioned it on the way in. I said, I don't know how far this angle or how far this camera can shoot. Who knows how many other cameras can see me on the way in. And if these people, particular hunters in the area, think of it as their backyard and I might not welcome, they might send a scout out. Get my meaning? You know, somebody just walked by the camera, go see who it is down there, take your motorbike down there. That's what I think, because it's happened more than once. It happened to me in the same area, but from the other side. All right, now I have a reason. Now I have a reason.